How can I activate my Aldi SIM card?
Hello there. Welcome to our comprehensive guide on how to activate your Aldi SIM card. Don't worry if you've never done this before, we're here to walk you through the process step by step.
What do I need before activation?
Before you begin, make sure you have your Aldi SIM card and your personal details, including ID for verification. If you purchased the SIM card online, you will have received it by mail. If you bought it in store, you'll have it in your hands already.
How do I start the activation process?
First, insert the Aldi SIM card into your mobile device. Make sure your phone is compatible and unlocked. Next, you need to start the activation process. To do this, navigate to the Aldi mobile website. Look for an option that says Activate your SIM or similar. Click on this option to begin.
What information do I need to provide?
You will be prompted to enter your personal details. This typically includes information such as your name, date of birth, and address. You'll also need to provide identification details such as your driver's license number or passport. Make sure all the information you provide is accurate and up to date.
How do I choose my plan?
After entering your personal details, you'll be asked to choose a mobile plan. Aldi offers a variety of plans to suit different needs, so choose the one that best suits you. After you've made your selection, confirm your choice.
What's the final step?
Once you've chosen your plan, you'll be guided to the final stage of the process. Confirm all the details and then submit the form. After this, your SIM should be activated within a few hours, though sometimes it may take up to 24 hours. If you have any issues, don't hesitate to contact Aldi's customer service. And that's it. Congratulations on activating your Aldi SIM card. Remember, if you run into any issues, Aldi's customer service is there to help. We hope this video guide has been helpful for you. Enjoy your new Aldi service.